Since Google's moved away from conversions in Google Analytics 4 to key events, a lot of accounts that we're seeing are missing the key events and conversion report, whether you're looking for it here or your library where you can build reports. And in this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to create that key events report. Essentially, what you'll do is you'll start on the home screen here. And then at the top of the screen in the URL, just remove everything after reports /. Don't hit enter yet. What you're going to do is replace that with a little bit of information, and you can kind of see it on my screen here. Just go ahead and place that at the end after reports /, and that's going to bring you to key events. Now, this isn't going to be saved. In this next step, we'll talk through how to save it and move it into an actual report. So we'll customize this report, save it, save new report, and I'm going to keep it as copy for now. We'll go ahead and save that out, and I'll show you where you can go to add and edit. So what you'll do is you'll go into reports, go down to the library, and you can see the newly created conversions report right here. And what we can do at this point is we can just go ahead and rename it. It doesn't need to say copy of. We can just call it key events. Save that out. And then we'll go into one of our collections. I like to place it in lifecycle and engagement next to the events. And on the right hand side, we'll just type key. And our new events shows up here. I'll scroll here, and I wanted to show right before or after events. After we scroll down and save this, save it to the current collection. We can now jump back to our list of reports, and you can see under engagement, we now have key events. If you don't have anything showing up in here, it might be because there are no events turned on as conversions or key events or whatever we want to call them now. If you want to make that happen, just pop into the admin side of things, go into events, and you'll see a list of all the events that happen, and toggle on mark as key event. Going forward, anything marked like this will show up in that key events report. That's it in a nutshell. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns.